Number 2, it is known that y is equal to 1. This is 1 when x is equal to 1. What is the constant of integration for y function of x is equal to the integral ng quantity e raised to 2x less 2x quantity dx. Okay? So, yung part nito lang yung mga medyo mahirap. Ito yan, simple lang yan. Power formula lang yan. So, actually, pwede pa natin expand ito. Then, magiging e raised to 2x dx less 2x dx. Okay? So, balikan natin. Yung integral ng e raised to u is equal to e raised to u plus c. Okay? And then, we let u is equal to 2x. So, ang du mo dyan ay 2 dx or ang dx dyan is equal to du over 2. Okay? So, ang magiging integral ng e raised to 2x dx is equal to, palitan natin yung ito ng u. Okay? And then, ang dx naman ay du over 2 or magiging 1/2 integral ng e raised to u du. So, integral 1/2 e raised to u plus c. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So, ang mangyayari niyan, ang integral ng ito ay magiging 1/2 e raised to 2x plus c. Okay? So, y sa function of x ngayon is equal to integral nito. Ito na siya, 1/2 e raised to 2x minus ang integral nito ay 2x square over 2 plus c. Or, y sa function of x is equal to 1/2 e raised to 2x less x square plus c. Okay? So, hanapin na natin ngayon si c. When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, sabi niya. Okay? So, substitute natin dito. Kung ang y natin ay 1, ang x ay magiging 1 din. E raised to 2 times 1 less 1 square plus c. Okay? So, magka-cancel. Wala. So, ang c ngayon dito is equal to magiging 1, 2. Tama ba? 2 less 1/2 e raised to 2. Or pwede pa bang simplify ito? Yes, pwede pa. C is equal to, factor out c, 2. Magiging 4 less e, tama ba? 1/2. Palabasin, palabasin c, 1/2. 1/2, ito ay magiging 4 less e raised to 2. Okay? Ito yung magiging sagot dyan. Number 3, evaluate integral of x cubed plus x over 4 all over x squared dx. Okay? So, ito, pwedeng gawin ganito, di ba? X cube over x square plus x over x square plus 4 over x square. So, ito yung magiging x plus 1 over x plus 4 over x square. So, therefore, ang integral ng x cube plus x plus 4 over x square dx ay pwedeng gawing integral of x dx less integral of dx over x plus this is plus, and then 4 integral of dx over x square. Okay? So, ito, power formula. Yan lang yan. Yan ay magiging x square over 2. Okay? Plus C. Ito naman, ito ay magiging ang integral ng dx over x is equal to ln x plus c. Okay? Tawagin natin na C1, C2. Okay? Ito naman, pwede pa nating itaas yung exponent ng 2, magiging negative 2 dx, so magiging may power formula x raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c3. Okay, so combine, ipagsama-samahin natin, siya ay magiging x square over 2 plus ln x, okay, minus, no? So minus siya. Okay, so minus ng negative 2 ito, tapos mayroong 4 dun sa taas. Okay, nagiging yung 4, so positive times negative ito. Okay, so siya ay magiging negative 2, no? X raised to negative 1, okay? Plus C. Okay, bakit C na lang yung lumalabas diyan? Kasi C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to C. Kung baga, constant plus constant plus constant ay equal sa constant. Okay? So, kung sisimplify natin, x square over 2 plus ln x minus 2 over x plus c. Okay? Saglit pala class, ito ay magiging 4 pala ito. This should be 4. Kasi ito ay negative 1. Okay? Negative 1 yan. Okay, so 4 tapos negative 1 dito. So, parang ganito ang nangyari. 4 and then negative 1. Okay? So, namalikmata lang ako. So, ang naisip ko dito ay negative 2. Okay? So, ito yung sagot natin. So, lumalabas ng tamang sagot ay letter B. Okay, so paano naman natin i-verify yan? Using calculator class, pwede natin gamitin yung calculator technique. Type lang natin sa calculator yung function. Then, maglagay kayo ng kahit anong value. Huwag lang whole value. Mas maganda yung mga hindi whole value, no? Okay. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na hindi masolve ng calculator kapag mga whole value ang ilagay mo. Halimbawa, integral ng, halimbawa, yung sagot sana dito ay 1 over x less 1. Okay? So, kung kapag sasubstitute ka ng value ng x na na 1 dyan, so magiging 0 na ito, hindi makukompute ng calculator. Kaya mas safe na mga ganyan. Okay? Sige. So, kung kukunin natin yung sagot nito, yan ay sulat natin dito. So, ang lalabas sa calculator ay 55.86. Okay? So, para may verify ito, lagay natin sa calculator. Ang sagot ay x square over 2 plus ln x less 4 over yan. Okay? I-calc natin. Substitute natin si 10.1. So, yan. I-store natin kay A. Shift ito. Tapos, pindutin si A. Dito natin. Answer. Yan yung answer. Shift. Ito. RCL. Okay, tapos A. Yan. Then, balikan natin. Ito, calculate. Palitan naman natin ngayon ng 1.1. Okay, yan yung sagot. Then, store natin kay B. Yan, so, para makuha alpha A less alpha B, 55.86. So, tama. That means, yung nasolve natin na sagot ay tama. Okay? So, ganun yung technique using calculator. Number 4. Evaluate the integral of 4 over 8 plus 2x squared dx. Okay? So, actually, pwede pa nating simplify ito. Magiging integral of 4 dx all over 2. Magiging 4 plus x squared. So, yan ay magiging 2 integral of dx over 4 plus x squared. Okay? So, ngayon, from the derivative of arc tangent u over a, that is equal to du over a square plus u square. Okay? So, ngayon, parang ang nangyayari dyan, a square is equal to 4. Tama ba? And then, u square is equal to x square. And then, ang du natin dyan is equal to dx. So, that means, na ang integral ng dx over 4 plus x square is equal to ano? Du, parang kamukha ng du, a square plus u square. So, that means, okay, ang integral ng 4 dx over 8 plus 2x square is equal to ano? 2 tapos du. Saan na yun? Ito. 2 arc tangent ng u. Ano ba yung parang pinaka-u mo dyan? X, diba? Ano ba yung parang pinaka-a mo dyan? Yung 2. Okay? Kasi, a is equal to square root of 4 is equal to 2. Ito yung sagot natin, plus C. Okay? So, again, using calculator. So, using calculator, type lang natin ang integral ng 4 tapos 8 plus 2 square. Okay? Palitan muna natin yung degrees into radian. Okay? Kasi naka-kon tayo. Naka-trigonometric functions tayo. Okay? Kapag naka-trigonometric functions, kapag integration, mas maganda na naka-radian ka. Okay? So, maglagay tayo ng angle. So, wag yung mga special angle ang ilagay. So, ilagay natin na 0.1. Then, 0.5. Okay? So, ang lalabas dito, integral ng 4 dx over 8 plus 2x squared dx is equal to from 0.1 to 0.5 is equal to 0.1950. Okay? So, ito naman, lagay lang natin sa calculator yung 2 shift tangent to tangent alpha x over 2. Okay? Yan, lagay sa calculator and then pindutin ang calc. Ang upper limit natin ay 0.5. Okay? So, 0.5 ang ilagay natin. So, store natin kay A muna. And then, balik tayo. Yan, calculate. 0.1 naman. Then, store natin kay B. Okay? So, alpha A less alpha B equals 0.39. Hindi nag-match So, balikan natin. Calc 0.5. Okay. Shift store A. Then, balik. calc 0.1 CP store B. Okay, so alpha A less alpha B 0.39. Oh, parang may problema, no? May problema, nakaradyan naman to. Anyway, sige, balikan natin yung integration. This is 4 and then from 0.1 to 0.5. Yun lang, nag-iba na naman yung lumabas. Sorry, walang 4 dapat doon. Bakit may 4? Ay, may x yan. Okay, 0.1950. So, ano kaya yung problema? Arctangent plus C. Anyway, sige. Okay, class, so nahanap ko na yung kamalian dito. Ito pala, may mali sa formula. This is 1 over A dapat. So, dapat merong, saan na yun? 1 over A. So, 1 over A. Meron pa palang 2 dapat dito, no? Okay. So, ang tamang sagot ay arc tangent x over 2 plus C. Ito yung tamang sagot. So, verify natin. Ito. Tanggalin natin si 2. Okay, calculate 0.5. Store natin kay A. Okay, and then calculate 0.1. Store natin kay B. And then alpha A minus alpha B 0.195. So, tama. Okay, so na-verify natin. So, number 5, evaluate the integral of square root of 1 less cosine x dx. So, ito yung mga choices. Okay? So, i-apply natin yung natutunan natin sa calculator technique. So, ngayon, hindi na tayo magsasolve, no? Calculator na lang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, integral daw ng square root ng 1 less cosine x. So, maglagay tayo ng values from 0.1 to 0.5. So, kung yan ang ilalabas natin, okay? So, kung 0.5, 0.1, 0.5 yung nilagay nating limits, ang magiging sagot ay ito. .0844. Okay? Now, check natin sa dalawang choices kung alin ang tama. Apply natin. Yung letter A natin, that is equal to negative 2 square root of 2 then cosine ng 1/2 x. Okay? So, calc upper limit 0.5. Okay? Store natin kay A. Yan. Next. Calculate lower limit 0.1. Then store natin kay B. So alpha A less alpha B. Kung ito yung tamang sagot, dapat parehas sila dito. Yan. So parehas. So that means letter A ang tamang sagot. Pero i-prove pa rin natin na si letter B ay mali. Okay. Square root of 2. Tapos sin ng 1/2 x. CB, calc natin. Oops. Square root of 2 sin 0.5 yung upper limit. Store kay A. And then, calculate 0.1 yung lower limit. Store kay B. So, alpha A minus alpha B, 0.279. So, mali talaga si letter B. Okay. Number 8. Evaluate the integral of x cubed dy and then dx. Okay? So, unahin natin itong nasa loob. Ang integral ng x cubed dy from 0 to 4 ay equal sa ano? Okay? Since ito ay dy, ito ay magiging constant. So, pwedeng ilabas, di ba? X cubed integral dy. So, ito ay magiging x cubed tapos y, di ba? Limits from 0 to 4. So, ito ay magiging x cubed 4 less 0 is equal to 4x cubed. Okay? Next, lipat lang natin ito ngayon. 4x cubed and then dx naman. From 0 to 1. So, ito ay magiging 4x cubed from 0 to 1 dx. So, power formula magiging 4x magdadagdag ng isa sa exponent magiging 4 over 4. Then, magkakancel yan. Limits mo ay from 0 to 1. Okay, so, yan ay magiging 1 raised to 4 less 0 raised to 4 is equal to 1. So, therefore, the integral ng 4x cubed dy dx is equal to 1. Number 9. Ano naman yung integral ng of ito? X square plus 3y square. Okay? So, unahin ulit natin yung nasa loob. Ito. So, ang integral ng x square plus 3y square dx, dy dx is equal to, pwedeng expand 0 to y x square dx plus 3y square 0 to y dx. So, ito magiging x to the 4th. Okay? Since x din yan, over 4 plus 3 constant ito. Since x yon, y square madagdagan ng x. Okay? And then 0 and then 4. 0 to y. So, magiging y to the 4th over 4 less 0 to the 4th over 4 plus 3y square. Okay? Tapos x mo dyan is y. Okay? Minus 3y square. Ang x mo dyan ay 0. Okay? So, ganyan yung mangyayari. So, mawawala. So, ito ay magiging y raised to 4 over 4 plus 3y cube, no? So, yan yung integral ng nasa loob. Then, integral ito ngayon ng from 0 to 2, y raised to 4 over 4 plus 3y cube. Okay? Then, dy naman. So, pwedeng gawing ganito. Y raised to 4 over 4 dy plus 3 y cube dy from 0 to 2. So ito ay magiging y raised to 5, okay? And then 5 times 4 is 20, okay? Plus 3y raised to 4 over 4. Limits from 0 to 2. Okay, so yung 2 na lang yung kukunin natin, wag na yung 0 since 0 naman yan, magiging 0 din lang naman. So magiging 2 raised to 5 over 20 plus 3, 2 raised to 4 over 4. So yung sagot dito ay this is 68 over 5. So let us check. Okay, so may mali. Ito pala, this is 2, no? Kasi 2 doon. Okay, ano pa ba? Okay, so magiging ito dapat ay 3. Magbabawas tayo ng isa. And then 3 din ito. Okay, so 3. And then 3. And then 3. And then 3. So 3 ito. 3 yan. Magiging 4. Magiging 4 ito. And then ano na to? 3 times 5. So magiging 15. Ay. 3 times 4 magiging 12. Okay, so 12 ito. So let us check. This 2 raised to 5 over 12 plus 3 times 2 raised to 4 over 4. This is 44 over 3. Okay. Sorry. This is 4, no? 4. Okay, so balikan natin. Yun, that is equal to 40 over 3.